In the cosmos so vast where three gnomes take flight, the majestic feline adorned in robes of tower slice, with a hammer of thunder in one mighty paw and an axe of lightning striking without flaw.